The result of a successful evolution. Evolon, a completely new fabric for the textile world. For the first time, a textile fabric consisting of ultrafine filaments has entered the market. A material that is stable and hard-wearing for technical applications, and at the same time, flowing and soft for a perfect drape. Using evolutionary technology, Freudenberg is the first ever manufacturer who has succeeded in combining the proven spun-bound technology with hydral entanglement in one continuous process. Source materials are two different polymers, for example, polyester and polyamide granulate. These are melted and spun into endless filaments. These filaments have a smooth upper surface, with both materials alternating. They are laid down very evenly and spun by means of high-pressure water jets, bonding them. During this process, the single filaments are split into several microfilaments. A bicomposite fabric of microfilaments with a titer of 0.1 dtex, roughly 100 times finer than a human hair, has now been created. With this patented procedure, Freudenberg, in one continuous inline process, has achieved in minutes what in traditional textile production would normally take weeks or even months, and would necessarily involve several separate procedural steps. The result? A fabric with evolutionary properties. The large number of microfilaments enables the manufacture of an extremely even textile material. These microfilaments spun together create an isotropic fabric with very high tensile strength. The fabric possesses a high degree of tear resistance due to the extremely even orientation of the endless filaments. The fine titer of 0.1 dtex helps create a textile material with a soft feel, drape, and pleat. Because of its microporous structure, the fabric possesses excellent physiological clothing properties. The high entrapment of air means it stays warm in the cold. The multi-layered construction makes it wind-resistant. The water vapor-permeable capillary structure means that it breathes actively. The high opacity of the complex textile structure reflects ultraviolet rays. Evolon is also kind to the skin and has easy wash, easy care properties. These characteristics can be controlled by varying the polymers and additives used for spinning and by the production parameters themselves. By employing textile finishing processes, appearance, design, feel, texture, and dynamometric properties can be specified according to the application required. These characteristics make Evolon suitable for many different applications. The clothing industry especially will need this new type of fabric. For sportswear and outdoor clothing, because the fabric, although ultralight, still possesses a very high degree of wearer comfort, as tests carried out by the Research Institute Hohenstein have proved. Or for working clothes, since Evolon does not fray and can therefore be cut without looping, sewn, and ultrasonically welded. Garments made of Evolon are easy to wash, are quick drying, and need no ironing. For home textiles and clothing, Evolon offers effective sun and ultraviolet protection. And thanks to its minimal porosity, Evolon without any chemical additives or protective films forms a physical barrier against dust, mites, and even allergens. The automobile industry and its suppliers will be able to use Evolon for composite interior components like inside roof linings, side paneling, and backing for car carpets, because this microfiber material is light, sound absorbent, and hard-wearing, in accordance with important U.S. automobile industry safety standards. But Evolon can do a lot more. Working in close cooperation with the customer, our application technicians are continually discovering new possibilities. Freudenberg introduced nonwovens to the market more than 50 years ago, developed the spun-bodied nonwovens process over 35 years ago, and since then has continued to bring out a whole series of innovative products. Freudenberg is now entering a new era with Evolon. The evolution has only just begun.